Whether you're trying to protect the surface of your patio or just make something that's so much more beautiful, the PrimeZone Acacia wood interlocking deck tiles are stunning. These are FSC Acacia wood tiles, and you can see that thick wood and that it's screwed onto this very sturdy polypropylene plastic base that has a lot of ventilation, so it's really designed to last. And these are great for indoors or outdoors. Now they're interlocking and you can interlock them in two different ways. So I will show you that in a moment, but here you can see how they interlock very easily together and come apart just as easily. Now I was gifted these for a review, and these are the diagonal deck tiles. As you can see, you can run them together diagonally, or you can make a beautiful pattern with them. So I'm gonna put them together in a pattern, and this is the 72 count of deck tiles. These are 12 by 12 tiles, which is definitely not enough for my deck, but I am so in love with them that I am seriously considering getting more to cover my entire deck, as they not only go together so well, but they are exceptionally sturdy and they don't have any creaking or plasticky sound when I walk on them. Extremely sturdy, and they just look so beautiful. And here you can see what a difference they made. They really made this deck so much prettier. Now on the edges you still will have some rubber nubs, but you can cut off the ones on the edges so you have a clean edge. And I think it's key how breathable it is underneath these. It will really help protect my deck and make it last longer while looking so much better. Now, since these are real wood tiles, you will need to cover them with weatherproofing finish from time to time. They come weatherproofed, but I would definitely finish them out the gate just so they last so much longer. And here I'm going to show real close how I put these together. It is a bit of a puzzle. You really want to pay attention to how the pieces slide into each other. And when you go to the next piece, you'll want to think about what side is possibly going to connect to each side each time. And as long as you always make sure they line up correctly, you are going to get exactly what you want out of these. Fantastic.